Hi everyone. Today I made a little fabric flower, and it's a hidden paper clip on the back. So I made this, and I figured let me make one with you in case you're interested. Um, I'm gonna be starting a boho journal, and I thought this would be nice for it. I'm working on a butterfly journal right now, but then when I'm done with that, I think I'm gonna do the boho. So all you really need is some scrap fabric. Just little squares, 2 by 2 or whatever you have. Some of these, like that one's a little rectangleish, but I just have, I think you only need about 6, but I think I got 7 here or 8. So you just need just little squares, and I'll show you how I did it. And you need your paper clip, and you need some paper. So what I'll do is I'm gonna just fold this, and I'm gonna cut it. That's about good. I'm gonna stick my paper clip, small side showing at the, no, tuck the small side in. Have the longer side this way. Right in the middle. I don't know why I did it this way. Why did I do it this way? Whatever. Okay. So then I'm gonna I don't know why I just did this, but we don't need this piece. Okay. So just glue it to the other side. You can use hot glue, Fabri-Tac, whatever you want. Then you can sew the flowers, the petals if you want. I just ended up just using my Fabri-Tac. I didn't bother distressing it because you're not going to see it anyway. There we go. So that's stuck in the middle. So now we're going to work on this. And it's not going to look like much at first, but then once all the petals are on, you put the button, you're good to go. So what I'll start with this. I just fold it over once. I put a little bit of glue in the middle. I'm going to fold it over again. And then I'm going to stick it in the middle like this. And then I'm going to go around after and I will cut. So you'll see what I mean. I guess then I'll use this color. Same thing. Fold it over once. Glue. Fold over again. It doesn't have to be perfect. See? Like I have that overlapping. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just, you know. Actually, put this like this. You know, and then glue that down. And we'll go to the next. Same thing. Fold over. This is how I do it. You can find your own way. You'll probably say, my way's better. I'm going to do it this way. Good for you. Do it that way. My ways are crazy anyway. Okay. Stick that one down. Kind of make sure they all meet in the middle though, because that's where the button's going to go. Then I'll do this one. Maybe I should fold it that way. No, it might be too bulky that way. I guess you can do it that way too. I guess you can fold it on a triangle too, if you want. I didn't do it that way. I just did it this way. So it's however you want to use it. I hope I'm in frame. Okay, then I'm just gluing to where the little points are. Right there. And I'm putting it down. Okay, and then this one obviously it opened. This is a thicker fabric. And to update you all on my poison ivy, it is still all over the place. It is going on almost 3 weeks now. And last time I got it last year, look at this, everywhere. I had it for a month, so I have a feeling it's going to be another month. Another 2 weeks for me. Yeah, I never learn. But this time I got it really bad everywhere, so I think this time I did learn. And I'm going to use gloves when I am outside. And don't worry about the paper too, because we can cut that if we see it. We can cut it when we're done. Basically, I'm just going around like this, gluing the point down and putting it down. Okay, I'm gonna take, I have this one left, but I'm gonna take, I think I'm gonna take a section of this brown, because I got brown right there, so. It's a good way to use your scraps too. Some of these I had scraps and some I didn't. So I just cut like a 2-inch section on the ones I didn't have scraps for. Again, just put in the middle. Alright, it doesn't look like much now, but it'll start to turn around. Oops. I'm going to put this button in the middle. I'm going to just let it sit for a minute. And so now I'm just going to proceed to just kind of cut it a little bit, like round it out. Now, you don't have to do this. I kind of liked it, so I figured I would do it. Uh-oh. This one's moving. All right, there we go. So just kind of round it out. And then check it, like as I'm looking at it right now, I can see that I don't like that piece of paper there, so I'm going to just round this. And I think I'm going to just put, you know what, I'm going to do half of this. Okay? I'm going to do half, and I'm going to just stick it right here because I can see the paper. That's a big glob. I can see the paper, and I don't want too big of a piece of fabric there. Hold that down. Alright, and then I'll cut this. Alright, let's see how that's looking. Obviously, I'll clean the glue off when it dries on the button. There's a little bit on the button. And see, this is up a little bit because it's a thicker fabric. So let's just glue this down so it's a little bit more flush. And I think I just want to cut this a little bit more. And there we have a cute little fabric flower. So I made this one, and I made this one. I hope you guys give it a try. Happy crafting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.